Today, I'll show you how to see price history on Google Flights so you can make smarter decisions about when to book your next trip. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to look for the price history tools, how to read the chart, and how to use that information to decide whether to buy now or wait. Let's start from the very beginning on the Google Flights homepage. First, you'll want to search for a flight just like you normally would. Enter your departure city, your destination, and the dates you're considering. You can also choose one-way, round trip, or multi-city and adjust the number of travelers and the cabin class if you need to. Take a moment to set any basic filters you care about, such as non-stop only or specific times of day. This first search is important because the price history tools are tied to a specific route and date range. Once you've filled in your details, go ahead and run the search. Google Flights will show you a list of flight options, often sorted by what it considers the best combination of price and convenience. Scroll through the results and find a specific flight that looks like something you might actually book. The price history information works best when you focus on one particular option, not just the general route. When you've found a flight you're interested in, click on it to open the detailed view. This is where you'll see information like departure and arrival times, layovers, the airline, and the total travel time. From here, you can also see different booking options from various providers. Stay on this page for a moment because this is where the price history or graph is usually available. Now, look for a section that mentions price history, price graph, or something similar. Depending on your region and the exact layout Google is using at the time, it might appear as a small chart icon, a link that says something like price history, or a collapsible section below the main price. Click on that area to open the price history or price graph. Once the graph is visible, you'll see how the price for this route and date range has changed over time. Typically, the horizontal axis will show the dates in the past, and the vertical axis will show the price. You'll see a line moving up and down, representing how the fare has fluctuated. Move your cursor or finger along the line to see the exact prices on specific days. Take a moment to analyze these past price trends. Look for patterns. Has the price been consistently low, or has it recently dropped from a much higher level? If the current price is near the lower end of what you see on the graph, that usually suggests you're getting a relatively good deal compared to recent history. If it's near the top of the range, it may mean prices have gone up and could drop again, though nothing is guaranteed. Also notice how frequently the price changes. If the line is very jagged, with lots of ups and downs, that tells you this route is quite volatile. In that case, small day-to-day changes are normal, and you might want to focus on the overall range rather than every tiny movement. If the line is mostly flat, it suggests that prices don't change very much, so waiting might not make a big difference. Use these observations to inform your decision. If the graph suggests that prices are low compared to the recent past, it might be a good time to book. If it looks like they've recently spiked, you may choose to wait and watch the route for a bit longer, keeping in mind that there's always some risk in waiting, and that's all there is to it. By searching for your flight, selecting a specific option, opening the price history or graph, and taking a few moments to analyze the past price trends, you can use Google Flights to book more confidently and get better value for your trips.